In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attribute block in AutoCAD. If you're new to AutoCAD or just looking to expand your skills, understanding how to work with attributes can greatly enhance your design capabilities. Attributes in AutoCAD are a way to add text-based information to blocks, which can be dynamic and provide you with powerful customization options. So, let's dive in. To begin, I've got a simple name tag style drawing here. Now, I want to incorporate an attribute within it to allow users to input their name. This is a fundamental process that can be applied to various design scenarios. First things first, we need to define our attribute. To do this, type ATTDF in the command line. That's short for Attribute Definition. This command opens up options to set up our attribute. Once the attribute definition window pops up, you'll be able to create and edit your attribute settings. First, you'll need to assign a tag to your attribute. Let's call it name. This tag serves as an identifier for your attribute within the block. Next, you'll want to set up a prompt. A prompt is essentially a question or statement that will appear, asking the user to input specific information. In this case, let's keep it simple by entering the prompt, "What is your name?" Finally, set a default value. This is the placeholder text that will appear before any input is made by the user. It can serve as a guide to show what kind of information is expected. Once you've configured all of your desired text settings for the attribute, click OK to place it on your drawing. Just like that, your attribute is ready to be incorporated into a block. Now, let's transform this drawing, complete with our new attribute, into a reusable block. To do that, select the entire drawing, including your newly added attribute, and type B into the command line, then press Enter. This will bring up the block definition window. Here, you can create and define your block. You'll need to specify a base point, which acts as the insertion point for your block, and confirm the selection of objects you want to include, such as our name tag and attribute. Once you're satisfied with your setup, finalize the process by clicking OK. Congratulations, you've successfully created a block with an attribute. Now you can easily copy and paste this block throughout your project, and each time you do, AutoCAD will prompt you to enter the attribute's custom information. In this case, it will ask for a name each time the block is placed, making it an interactive and user-friendly addition to your design. With this skill, you can create dynamic, informative blocks tailored to your needs. Experiment with other settings, and soon you'll be efficiently using attributes in all kinds of projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!